Assalamu alaikum. If you want to watch new videos on our channel, then subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Moreover, for appreciation, like our video and share it with your friends. You can also comment below giving your suggestions. Now let's start today's video. The indefinite article. A or an is the indefinite article. It generalizes a noun and shows it as one out of many. A is generally mostly placed before consonants, that is, words beginning with letters other than A, E, I, O, U. A college, a house, a vegetable. N is generally placed before vowels, that is, words beginning with A, E, I, O, U when they give the vowel sounds. An egg, an idea, an orange, an acting principle, etc. Note: An is generally placed before a word whose first letter H is silent. An or an honor. A is placed before U spoken as U or O spoken as wa. A useless habit. A unit. A one-day holiday. A or an is placed before things that we can count in the singular number. A pen, a flower, a city, an idea, an inkpot. A or an is used according to the vowel or consonant sound at the start of the next word. An MA, the sound is of E. A BA, the sound is of B. An ant, a utensil, the sound is of U. When generally we do not use the indefinite article a or an before a material noun, water is needed here. Gold and platinum are not as useful as oil. Before an abstract noun, efficiency without honesty is of little value. Wisdom cannot be taught by fools. Rules 1 and 2 means we do not often place a or an before uncountables or uncountable nouns. Water, iron, glass, honesty, justice, etc. are countable as material or abstract nouns. However, we place it when these are used like common nouns. He is a justice, judge. It is a truth, plural. Justices, truths. I want a glass of fresh water. We can place a before Mr. and Mrs. or Miss followed by the family name, surname. It means we do not know the person referred to. A certain Miss Angela wants to see you, and a Mr. Khilji comes with her, accompanies her from the foreign ministry. A can be placed before knowledge and uncountable when used in a special connection. A little knowledge is a dangerous thing. A good knowledge of English will help you everywhere. But note how an adjective like little or good beautifully comes in. Often we do not place the definite article before proper noun. However, we use it before the names of newspapers, books, seas, rivers, etc. as explained earlier. The is placed before a proper noun. 2. When we use it like a common noun. She is the Fatma Jinnah of our society. Good like Fatma Jinnah. There is comparison. Kashmir, the Switzerland of Asia. The is placed with a common noun followed by a proper noun. The poet Ghalib. The leader Nishtar. Also note that the for reference, the Bahawalpur of the 1990s or 2000s, the Mr. Ali who flies the plane. The Alis, Mr. Ali and members of his family who have Ali as their last name. The Punjab, that is the 5 rivers that run through the province. the United States of America, that is the states or provinces that make up the country called America. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon, like our video, share it with your friends. Moreover, comment below for your suggestions. Thanks for watching.